How to add FTP in GoDaddy. The first thing that we need to do is log into our GoDaddy account, then click on your name in the top right corner and go into My Products. So here from the products page, we want to scroll down until we see web hosting. Click on web hosting to expand the menu, and then right here we want to select manage next to our plan. So once we have accessed the web hosting plan here, what we want to do is scroll down until you see tools, and at the very last option underneath tools should be FTP manager. Click on launch. This is going to load up the FTP manager through cPanel. So here, if you can see this correctly, you should be able to add an FTP account. So you will have to type the login, then you will have to type the password twice. It's going to show us the strength, and we can also generate a password automatically. And then you will need to input the directory here and set the quota either to a limited amount or leave it as unlimited. So once we're done with this, we can click on create account, create FTP account, and that's how you add FTP to GoDaddy. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.